rich. My lifestyle rich.
All right, that's Squeeze. All my friends are rich. Is that you?
I
didn't
hear a thing you said. I can't hear you.
What do you mean you don't hear me? Am I
I
screaming?
can't hear you.
What?
We're not on the radio.
We are on the radio.
No, we're not.
We are.
No, we're not.
You are. The guy just
No, we're not.
guy just sang. All my friends are rich.
Your Facebook page is not working.
What are you talking about? Are you just,
Your Instagram is not working. Your Periscope is not working.
Come on, man.
I make him nervous, you know?
Come on, man. You don't make me nervous.
All right.
Good morning.
What's up?
We always start off the show slow, by the way. It gets better. Trust me.
Yeah. Anyway, this is what the hell is this?
Okay, microphone on.
All
there
right.
you go. There you go. Right.
Picking it up.
Right.
What is this? This is the Brad and Squeeze show? Mm-hmm. Knock knock. Is this thing working? Is this thing on?
Yes, it is. Bueller.
Okay. Ferris Bueller.
Ferris Bueller.
It's a great movie.
Yes.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Brad and Squeeze show. We're gonna be taking your calls shortly. I'm just waiting for Brad to lambast, castigate, or make funnies now, but he's not.
What do I have to castigate? I have nothing to castigate.
You're not focused, dude.
I'm trying to set myself up here because nobody sets.
Why
me
do
up.
it on the show?
Why?
Why do it on the show?
Because I walked in at 5 minutes to 9. And Squeeze wanted to tell me about his evening last night at the Palm restaurant.
You all believe it, right?
This is some behind the scenes crisis
exactly,
material.
and about how he had issues with his phone, but he saw the picture of me and him on the wall at the Palm restaurant. He goes, "Oh, this would be a good picture for the Brad and Squeeze hour."
I was actually working
and then
there.
he was about to meet me at this crazy place and decided not to.
Yep.
But I'm glad he did it because I wasn't there.
Right. And you were supposed to be there.
And I was supposed to be there, but I didn't go.
Came this close.
That close, but not close enough. Yeah. And thus, the show starts. And Squeeze wonders why I'm not ready to go because he has to have a whole conversation with me.
If my date did not end abruptly, I would have showed up there.
Oh, you had an abrupt ending.
Yes.
Really?
There you go.
That's so funny because I had an abrupt ending as well. And thus I would have ended there as well. That's so funny that we're living parallel lives.
I'm like, I'm out.
We are living parallel lives. Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
You had a tiff?
Yeah, I'm out.
It's your first tiff?
Yeah, but hey,
that's why it's
called. That's why it's called dating.
Is tiff over or tiff not over?
Nah, tiff is there.
Tiff is still there.
Yeah,
you're still tiffy.
Yeah, still tiffy. Don't listen to us. Don't listen to us. We're crazy.
I'm sorry about that.
We're crazy. Right. All right, so we have. All right, so you got to correct me now. Is associate attorney?
Managing attorney.
Dude, you tell me associate, you tell me managing for all the attorneys. Now I'm trying to get it.
Do you manage your own caseload?
I do manage my own caseload.
She's a managing attorney. Thank you very much.
Who did
Senior
managing attorney, right?
Where did I get the associate attorneys from?
Don't know.
It's here.
Yes, but there are associate attorneys. There are senior managing attorneys. Mm-hmm. Depends on what your position is here in the office.
Well, let's ask this lovely attorney here. And you are?
My name is Rebecca Linetsky. I am a managing attorney.
Senior managing attorney.
That
is
correct.
Brad
Bernstein, though all of my clients remind me how young looking I am.
Yes.
Okay.
So, it's funny because my
young?
I don't know if I can say senior.
You're not young?
Mm-hmm. You'd like to call yourself, even though mentally you're a senior, you'd like to say physically I'm a junior
I like to
managing
tell my
attorney.
clients, look deep inside
I'm quite
my
sure she's
eyes.
about half my age.
Right?
I'm sure she's about half my age.
Yes, she is.
Exactly. Yeah. You're a young attorney.
Right.
Okay.
Old at heart.
Right. How long have you been practicing law?
7 years.
7 years. So it's not that, Listen,
still young.
Seasoned.
Seasoned, but young.
Yeah.
Seasoned, but young.
All
I
right.
like that.
All right. So once again, folks, we're here. We're ready to answer your immigration questions.
Weird.
No, that's what's been happening to me for months.
Glitch in the matrix. A glitch in the matrix.
All right. So once again, the number to call to get your immigration questions answered happens to be 1-800-529-5465. If you do call now, and it's 10 minutes after 9 o'clock, you will get through. But I promise you, when you call at 5 minutes before the hour of 1, you will be bumped. All right? So make the call now to get your questions answered. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Kyle, where can they actually watch us on the social media network?
Obviously nowhere at this moment.
Facebook.com.
Yeah, turn on your mic.
What? What?
See how dysfunctional we
It's
all
the
are?
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, because everything just shut down.
I know it's a Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
YouTube and Periscope are back up. I'm just waiting for
Uh-huh.
Anybody wants to turn on their microphones while they're speaking?
This is how it works here. Nobody tests anything ahead of
You
time.
know, I may be really young, but I don't know what Periscope is.
It's that thing that comes up in the
the
submarine.
submarine?
Well, that I
and
know,
you
but I
hold
assume
it
that's not
and
what we're
you look
talking
through
about.
it.
That's the
That's what I was-
it's the video here. I'll show you. It is the live video stream that is associated with Twitter.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so basically, when you say you're live on Periscope, basically you're live on Twitter.
Twitter. Okay, got
Right,
it.
right, right.
That
But
makes
it's a
sense to me.
different.
I know it's
It's a
Twitter.
video version of
It's a
Twitter.
Right, but it
The live version of
but
Twitter.
it plays on Twitter. So
it.
if you have a Twitter program, it will play live on Twitter and Periscope. So basically,
Okay.
it's like Instagram to Facebook in a
Got it.
way.
Okay.
You know, like they're kind of intertwined but different.
Oh
Thank
my
you so
God,
much, Mr. Zuckerberg.
Yes.
You know,
Is that correct, Kyle?
That is absolutely correct.
Thank you very much.
thank you so
I
much.
love
Mr.
Kyle
Zuckerberg.
because he just agrees with everything I say.
Most things.
Most things.
You don't like little Nicky though.
Yeah, little Nicky's on.
This guy's such an ass fault.
Yeah. Not liking
I
little
love
Nicky these days. I'm not liking little
I
Nicky
love
these
you.
days. She said some mean things to me the other day.
What did I say to
I
you?
don't want to get into it right now. I'm very insulted.
You know,
All right.
you remind me of George Costanza when you said that.
Yeah? Why?
You just wasted. I don't know.
I don't want to get into it.
Like George, you're gonna start speaking in the third person.
Yeah.
All right, let's
All
go.
right.
Let's demonstrate what we're doing. Let's go to the phone lines. Let's say it first.
All right, so Rebecca's here to help us with the immigration questions,
Right.
Rebecca.
Yes.
And it's her first time on the show, so we'll be very fair to her and give her the first question that comes.
All right. So,
Okay.
Bobby.
Bobby.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bobby, and thank you for calling 1-800-LawLink, 1-800-529-5465. And Rebecca is here to answer your question. Brad Bernstein is also here, so go ahead with your question.
Okay, I'm only 18. I came here last year when I was 17, and my dad filed for me, and I was in the state of Washington when he filed for me. Stuff didn't go right, and I left. When I left, I wrote to immigration and sent them my new address. My green card never came. I went down to immigration. I'm in New Jersey. I got an info pass, and we went down to immigration, and the guy said it was mailed to Washington, and my dad said he never got it. However, the guy pointed out to me that I'm a citizen. I don't need a green card. Is this true? Can you help me to get my citizenship if I come to you instead of getting a green card?
Was your parents born in the United States?
No, they're
He's a
Jamaican.
citizen.
What? So then
She was approved for the green card, and it sounds like your father is a citizen.
So I see what
And
happened.
I guess it was
Yes.
approved before she was 18.
Right. Okay, so you went straight from nothing to citizenship. That's what happened. Because
Yes.
your father applied for you for your green card, and the second you got your green card, because you're residing with your father in his legal custody, that makes you an automatic citizen. So you actually went from nothing
Yeah.
to citizenship,
Yeah.
although he applied for the green card. And you have
because-
nothing now? You didn't get a certificate of citizenship? What did you get?
I didn't get anything because I left Washington. He was in the army, and he's not too right in the head.
How long has this been?
It's been, I came last year, September.
All right, so I think the first step is let's just get your records and make
What's
sure you
what?
got approved.
Yeah, it sounds like
It's
you need
approved. I went to InfoPass in
Okay, well
New
then if
Jersey, where I am.
if it's approved, and you went to the InfoPass, they should have done it for you. So obviously,
Yeah.
something is amiss somewhere.
Well, it sounds like either you need to get the new green card issued, though it sounds like you are a citizen through your father because you were approved before you were 18. I think that the difficult thing that you
But-
need possibly the records for is to show when you were approved, in a hard copy, and also that you were in his legal custody when you were approved for the green card. So,
I
because
was.
that's what you'll need to get the passport or to get the
So you guys can
citizenship.
help me?
Absolutely.
Yes,
If you
definitely,
want more
yeah.
information, as a matter of fact, I think you should just book an appointment. You ready? I'm just waiting for the engineer to come back over and put you on hold so that you can set up an appointment. But once again, the number is 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800.
I think the only problem here is that you don't have the papers, but otherwise you can definitely get it sorted out.
But
Thanks a lot.
would she actually need the papers, or could she just go file for a passport?
You'll need to have some documentation of when she was approved.
Okay.
Yeah, because it has to have been
We have
before
those
you were
stuff
18.
from Kingston.
Oh, so you came as a you came on an immigrant visa.
No, I came as a green card
Okay.
holder.
Right, okay. So then,
I came
oh,
September.
okay, and you filed for your citizenship when you were here.
I didn't file for anything. I never got anything,
Oh, just
but
the
I
green
went.
card never came.
I
Okay,
went
so
to
yeah,
automatically
we
become a
can,
citizen, so she could actually
yeah,
just go.
so we can just file for the passport or
Right.
file for the certificate. Yeah, that's fine.
That was not for you.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm good now.
All right. So hold on 1 second. All right.
Yeah, hang up. I just,
You should have gone to that place last night.
yes. Would you believe? Now it should all be working, right? Yes.
You genius
You
is
know
all
what?
right?
You know what it is?
You
Squeeze.
genius is all right?
Squeeze. Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
the genius?
Let me. Yeah, I was the genius. You know what it is? There's multiple Wi-Fi's here in the office.
Yeah.
Okay, multiple ones. There's ones that are dedicated for the clients who come in as a guest.
Mm-hmm.
There's ones that are dedicated for the staff to use to do all our legal work.
Right.
And there's other ones that are dedicated strictly for this
I know where you're
radio
going with
show.
this.
Whoever set this up,
Set it up on the wrong one.
yeah. So of course they would not.
But in their defense, though,
What is the defense?
the one that you're talking about that we should be on, it keeps going in and out.
It's not. They were on the wrong one, and you could be on the wrong one too.
At the same time it went out. No, I'm not on the wrong one.
Okay.
I'm on the Brad one.
Brad
Maybe you're supposed to be
5G.
5G.
It
You should
doesn't
be on,
matter.
you should be on Brad 5G.
It really. Oh man, I shouldn't have done
You're
that.
not on Brad 2G, Brad 5G.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Does not.
It does.
Not.
All right.
There's no one else on it. You know. All right, we do this all the time. You know.
Yeah, I can
All
tell.
right.
All right,
now,
so-
now we're okay.
1-800-529 for now. 5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. All these issues and/or problems will be gone in a few months.
I hope
All right,
so, yes.
when hell freezes over.
Correct.
So we're still waiting on that studio.
Correct. 9, and we got everything sorted out.
I tell you what, let's go to Kyle. Kyle, you got a social media question?
Not yet. Everybody's just pleased with the way the show's going. Everyone's enjoying everything
Yeah,
right
because
now.
someone said you guys are funny. You know, I mean, people.
We're not funny right now.
You guys are funny.
We're just angry. At least I am.
Well, I'm
right
not
now.
angry.
I'm angry.
No, I'm not
I'm
angry.
angry every time I do this show that I have to get up and do my own engineering.
All right. Okay, I don't even understand this question. How long does
That's why
a
you're the
filing
boss,
take
Brad.
when in Jamaica?
What?
Brad needs a drink this morning.
I do need a drink. Where's the rum the guy got me the other day?
It's too
No
early.
drinking. No, no.
What?
It's too early.
It's too
No
early.
drinking on
Yeah,
the show.
right.
All right, you can't do that. You can't do that. But okay, I don't know what this means, but it says how long does the filing take when in Jamaica?
What that means
Please.
is how long does it take me to get a green card? I live in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the Google to Facebook translation.
Thank you for being Google.
Thank you. And the answer is, assuming you're getting married to a U.S. citizen, about a year.
About a year.
About a year.
Yeah.
All right.
The scheduling is slow in Kingston right
Yes.
now.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long is it taking from the time for the National Visa Center approves everything to the appointment? It shouldn't take more than 8 weeks, but it probably is.
It's taking about 8 weeks from say you're in line for an interview.
Uh-huh.
It's taking longer
To actually
lately
just
to
get
get the
the
interview. Yeah.
I think they're just doing all of this vetting that Mr. Trump is doing,
Yeah.
and they're checking now 5 years of social media.
Yes, I think for tourists
Yep.
they even said 15 years.
15 years of
yeah,
s-
at the
of
ALA
social
meeting
media.
they said 15 years.
15 years of social media.
Yeah.
Wow.
They have been doing that.
No, not recently,
Apparently they've
Right.
always checked
Did.
some,
but yes,
but now
not.
it's going to become that they ask you to
Right.
declare it.
Right.
You know how I know?
How do you know?
Because you did a visa for this DJ, okay, that was seen on YouTube waving a gun around, and you got him their visa.
So they were not doing it back then.
No, they were doing. They stopped it at first. They
I
saw it and they
Right, waving the gun.
and they said no, you can't get it.
Right. Well, maybe
And-
maybe that was a.
And then Brad Bernstein stepped in.
Maybe he was famous.
He was famous.
Yeah. All right.
Snowden is always it there. I believe I know for a fact that every single conversation on any cell phone is recorded and stored for years, and you can go back to it. Hey, it's standard in the computer world.
Let me explain something to you.
Yeah.
If anybody is so bored that they have to listen to my recorded conversations from 2 years ago, I'm all for it. God bless them. There is
I'm
absolutely.
sure there's interesting stuff to hear back there.
But did you know, if you go and you take down your website right now,
It's still there.
I can show you how to get to it. If you take down your domain, I can show you how to get to it.
Right. There's the black.
No.
What's it
No,
called?
it's
The
cache.
black.
No, it's called
The black. The dark web.
no. There's this thing called Wayback Machine. Just look it up, and you use it and go all the way back. You can check everything.
Yeah.
But people don't know these things.
Uh-huh.
That's the reason why Squeeze gets paid the big bucks.
All right.
$0.
Squeeze, all of this is really interesting, and
Well, we have time to talk.
that's
There's
not
the
what
one
we
on the
do.
line.
That's really not what we do.
Well, okay.
Okay.
Is there-
What we do it.
Take
yes,
line one.
But you have to give a telephone.
We did.
You did. But yeah, we were
Like
off.
a million times.
No, we were off the air.
What
We were off the air.
No,
when
no,
you
no,
were
no, no,
giving
no,
the
no, no.
number.
We're off the social media. side.
Correct. Correct.
But there's a lot of people listening on 93.5.
Maybe.
Don't play into this, Rebecca. Stay out of it. All right? 1-800-529-5465. That is the number to call. 1-800-529-5465. Make the link, make the connection, make the call if you have immigration questions. Once again, we're also taking your questions on the World Wide Web, okay, at David Squeeze Annakie's Facebook page, the more handsome Facebook page. And then we've got the law offices of Spar Bernstein, where everybody is handsome and beautiful. And we've got Brad Bernstein, who is bearded today. Guy needs a shave and a drink.
Bearded?
And, okay.
Yes.
And the handle happens to be, is it Brad Bernstein or Spar Bernstein?
What are we talking about? Which handle?
You have so many social media platforms.
All right.
It's getting
so
very confusing here.
Law offices of Spar and Bernstein Facebook. Okay. Brad Bernstein Facebook. Bernstein _ Brad Instagram. Spar Bernstein Instagram. Brad and Squeeze Show Instagram.
MySpace?
No MySpace. That's like for porno people, isn't it? Is that like
Does it still
Sexual
exist?
predators ruined
Sexual
MySpace.
predators, yeah.
They ruined it.
YouTube, law offices of Spar. YouTube seems to work the best. We don't use it enough. And right now, we have two really good lawyers here. So if you call right now, we got 12 open lines. Don't wait till the end of the show. 1-800-529-5465. We had a slow start as usual. We always start off slow.
You know what? I'm going to tell you what the problem is.
Can you ima-
Hold on.
let me
No,
tell you, if-
I want to tell you what the problem is. The problem is, Brad,
Yeah.
you put the show in this slump because of the technical issues that were going on. Because
Yes.
normally, we start off, we're energetic and everything,
Right.
and you just pulled me down, you pulled everybody down, you just pulled down everything.
I wasn't pulled down.
Thank you.
Because you're new.
Sorry, Squeeze.
You're new. You know, so...
I know who signs my paycheck.
Thank you very
He
much.
pulls everybody down, and now I got to be going with his flow, and I'm trying to bring the energy
Bring up the energy, man.
I'm trying here.
Up with the energy.
I think you're doing a good job, Squeeze. After his angry scream, and
We
you,
know
you
Yeah,
brought the
exactly.
show right back.
We know
Come
that
on.
it's kind of fun.
Yeah, let's go. Shout.
We have a question.
Shout.
All right.
What? Hold on. Let me shout
When
the number.
When Squeeze starts shouting- when Squeeze starts shouting-
1-800-529-5465. If you're out there, you're out of status, you don't have a green card, you're screwing yourself. You need to call Spar Bernstein right now. 1-800-529-5465. Yes, Rebecca, I said that. 1-800-LAWLINK. Maybe you came here, you got married.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe you got divorced.
Bring it down.
1-800-529-54... Put your headset back on.
Don't scream up.
1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAWLINK. Call us now with your immigration questions, because in a few minutes we are not going to be taking immigration questions.
We will not be doing it.
Yes.
Call
So
now.
call 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-LAWLINK. Let's go to Kyle and come back to the phone lines at 1-800-529-5465 with the attorneys Rebecca and Brad.
All right, Paul Brown on Facebook says, my friend got a J-2 visa in August last year, but returned to Jamaica in December. His son now wants to file for him. Do they have to wait the 2 years? The J-2 visa has a 2-year bar.
You have to wait the 2 years unless you get a no
Waiver.
objection letter. Usually it would be a no objection
Oh,
letter for a
yeah.
J2. But that's a waiver, and you have to go through the process first. So don't even bother filing the I-130 because it would not get approved unless you get the waiver first. So that would be
The
step one.
I-130 will get approved.
The
You
I-
just won't be issued the
Okay.
That's been my experience.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So once again, we're going to the line shortly. 1-800-529-5465. You're out there on the highway, byway, throughway, parkway, walkway. It doesn't matter. Make the call. 1-800-LawLink. How long does it take to file for children over age? Since you're a Google translator, I'm quite sure you can figure that one out.
7 years.
7 years. All right. Okay. Let's go to the phone lines. 1-800-529-5465 and grab a call.
Damus.
Damus.
Yes, pleasant good morning.
Yes.
I have one. Calling for a friend. She's married. She got 2 kids. Her papers are supposed to for the 10-year. I think that's the unconditional green card. It's called. Supposed to be signed for September, but I guess her husband is acting up. So I don't know. What should I tell her?
Should tell her what acting up could mean he's being abusive, or acting up saying, I just don't care about this marriage anymore.
Right, acting up. That's saying he doesn't care, doesn't want to sign.
Okay, so then it's a dead marriage, but it was a real marriage at one point. So
Exactly,
when it,
really living there and doing everything.
yeah, real living there, but now dead. Okay,
Yeah.
it happens, all right?
Okay.
And what the way to go about this is then you have to get a divorce. That's what the law requires. Law requires move out of the house with all the documents to prove you were living in that house before you move out, get a divorce, and then you can do it on your own. And what you have,
documents would I have to tell her to get?
Rebecca, what kind of documents?
Everything that she has to show that it was a real marriage, that they were living together, if they have a lease together, if they have a bank account together.
It's his own house, but all the stuff came there in her name. But what happened, the bills, when she went there, they were all, everything was established already because his mother's dead left outside. His kids, his sister, and his name is in the bills.
She still
but her
needs to
bills
try to
come there.
keep together as much documentation to show, even if it's in their separate names, to show that they were both living at the shared address. And
Yes.
anything else that they have with their names together, make sure she keeps photos, make sure she keeps text messages, emails, anything like that. But she needs to keep together as much paperwork. If she leaves, she needs to have it with her. She can't, otherwise, she's not getting it. So as many documents as she can have to show that they were living at the same address, cohabitating as husband and wife.
And she would have to come in to know the cost and everything.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wait, hold on
And
one
once
second,
again, just
hold
hold
on
the
one
line.
second, hold on.
All right. Once again, folks, the number here is 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-LAWLINK.
You know, in a lot of those situations, we're going to get to Joyce and Olivia and everybody else, 1-800-529-5465. But in a lot of those situations, you know, women or men say, hey, I'm already out of the house. I can't get back in. What do I do? Well, a lot of the documentation is still retrievable. You could always go to the bank, get copies.
Yeah.
You could always go to the credit card companies, get copies. You can always go to social media and download pictures. So there's lots of ways to recreate when you're not even
For sure.
in the home anymore. Squeeze.
Thank you so much for making that clear.
Squeeze. I wanted to make sure that was clear.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you knew that it was clear.
I don't know a lot of things, man.
What you do know that Snowden listens.
I'm multitasking.
I know that you weren't listening.
At least I'm honest.
Yes.
1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Rebecca, how you feeling?
I'm feeling good. It's
good.
Bright, sunny
Yeah.
June day.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Enjoying
Rebecca's
being here
cool.
with all of you.
Rebecca's cool. She's got a cute, perky personality for
I
radio.
like Rebecca.
Yes, I like Rebecca too.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, very cool.
I'm glad to hear it. I
Yes.
like you all too.
She passes the cool test, right?
I met her at the office party last year. That's
Yes.
where I met her, yeah.
Uh-huh. And what happened? Did you have a drink together? Did you talk with her? What
We
was the
spoke for a
conversation?
couple of minutes, I think.
Yeah, about what?
I think we met before that squeeze around the office.
We did?
I guess I
Probably.
didn't make enough of an impression.
Normally, I need some liquor.
Do you know where Rebecca's from?
Pray tell.
Do you take a guess? She is not an American.
Can't tell by my
Canada.
accent.
She is not, yes. How did you know?
Sounds Canadian.
She sounds Canadian.
Yeah.
I say A at the end
You
of my
say A?
sentences a lot,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
I think I've dropped
Do you
this
drink a
since I've
lot
been
of
here.
Beer.
I don't know that
Canadians
that's a
drink
huge-
beer.
They do.
Beer.
Right?
It's true.
Right?
Beer.
It's not very good beer, though.
Was there a moose in your backyard growing up?
And a couple of polar bears, yes.
Polar bears? Okay.
Yes.
Why does everybody ask Canadians about moose? Just like everybody asks everyone that lives in Westchester County about deers and up in Connecticut about
I
deers.
just want to know if there was a
You know.
moose in the backyard. That's
Do you have
all.
raccoons in Long Island?
Yes, we do.
We have those in Canada too, actually.
Yes, we do. We got more than raccoons in Long Island.
It's
That's
like
why,
asking people in New Orleans and
yeah.
or Florida about the alligators, and the
alligators.
crocs. You know.
Right. Well, no, it's not crocodiles. Crocodiles are Australia.
Florida
Very
too.
specific
Right?
knowledge.
Yes,
but
that is
accurate.
specific knowledge.
What? Croco-
Accurate.
Oh,
Accurate.
alligators.
Accurate.
Not
So you're saying there
Alligators
are
are
no-
Florida.
So there are no
Croc-
crocodiles in the United States.
There are no crocodiles that I'm aware of.
What is the difference?
I am not sure. They look
It's the
exactly
snout.
alike.
No, the snout's different.
The
Crocodiles'
snout-
mouths, their teeth are on the outside of the snout.
Right, and they come from different families. It's like completely
I think
different
that's
animal,
bullcrap.
although they look alike.
Are there
Wow.
crocodiles in the United
no,
States?
there's no crocodiles in the United
Okay,
States.
Google.
Right. That's why you ever hear the name.
Yes.
There is a name, somebody's name called Crocodile Dundee.
The American crocodile,
Is the
Crocodilus
alligator.
octus,
Is
is
the
a
alligator.
species of a crocodilian found in Neotropics. It is the most widespread of the 4 extant species of crocodiles from the Americas.
Oh, there's also a question: are there more alligators or crocodiles in Florida?
Yeah. Populations occur from the Atlantic and Pacific coast of southern Mexico to South America as far as Peru and Venezuela.
In the pop culture. Okay.
Oh,
In-
now here we go.
I don't care.
Here
what,
we go.
I don't care what
He
Google
just
says.
got shut down and
In-
he's about
In pop culture,
rebut-
they don't call the guy Alligator Dundee. They call him Crocodile Dundee.
That's why you believe
Okay.
alligators
That's
are only in
the
right.
reason why
That
you
is
thought
correct.
it was
That is correct.
something else, man.
It's Hollywood.
Seems legit
It's
to me.
Crocodile Dundee, and in Miami, all the football teams have mascots
Gators.
of alligators. Okay, it is the Florida Gators, and it is Crocodile Dundee. It is not the Florida Crocs and Alligator Dundee, right?
Maybe they
Thus,
were recent-
alligators in Florida, crocodiles, Australia. Thank you very much.
Are you done? Thank you. All right, let's go.
Yes, and how do you say good morning in Spanish?
Buenos
Buenos.
dias.
Buenos dias to all
Dude,
of the
where's-
Latinas.
Where's your dad?
and
I need to
Latinos.
call your dad because I know you did Spanish in school.
I did.
And that's the first thing they teach you. Buenos dias. All
Buenos
right.
dias.
Can we get to some calls, please?
Yes. All right,
That's
Joyce.
the American school system for you.
Yes, that
Yeah.
is right. Joyce. All right. I also didn't know there was crocodiles in America, so I'm all for 2. All right, Joyce. Joyce.
Joyce?
I do know immigration, Joyce.
Joyce.
I do know immigration.
Hello?
Hi, Joyce.
Hi, Joyce. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi. I have a question for Mr. Bernstein.
Yes.
The question is that my cousin, he came here a long, long time from Jamaica. He came up on a visa, visiting visa. He overstayed the visa, and he married like 19 years now, and the wife never filed the paper. She never put it in. How could he go about that?
Why did the wife never put in the papers? I mean, you can't put a gun to the woman's head. What happened?
He gave her like the money. It was good. And she
What do you
never
mean?
filed.
Whoa!
I think she
whoa.
means for filing fees.
I
of
hope
immigration.
that's what you mean.
I'm sure that's what she
I hope
means.
that's what you mean.
The relationship was okay, and then she just, bugged out and just, leave and in Georgia.
Where is this man right now?
He's here in New York.
Okay, so let me make this suggestion to you. Basically, this is a question of, I know this guy, he's been here for 20 years, he needs a green card, what the hell should he do? Okay, and the answer is,
And he happens to be married.
and he happens to be married. That's basically it.
Right.
That's the question. And the answer is, and I've said this before, we have approximately 200 or 300 books behind me all about immigration law. And, there's lots of different things we can do for people. I can't read all the books to you right now. So what I would suggest is let him make an appointment and let's figure out how to help him.
So could you help him?
Perhaps, yes. I help lots of people.
Okay.
If you look on my Facebook page, every week we put happy clients with smiling. They come in, they put their arm around me. They're all happy. They got their green cards. So we help people here. We
I
help
will
people
say
here every day.
it's probably not going to be through this marriage.
Through this marriage, yeah. This marriage sounds like it's not the most kosher marriage right now.
One of those days.
Yeah. All right. Hold on one second. All right.
1-800-529-5465 as I multitask here.
And by-
1-800-LawLink.
By the way, on YouTube, Roshane James says there was a bear in his trash last night in Colorado.
Oh,
So in Colorado, they got bears.
they do have bears here too.
Yeah, I haven't seen any bears
And in Canada.
in Canada.
Just
Up
so
in
They have them
everyone
up. They have them upstate.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have bears upstate.
What do they got in Jamaica?
Alligators.
They got like big.
As a matter of
Do they
fact,
have
what?
crocodiles though?
I'll be
I don't
very.
think so.
I'll be very honest.
What do they got there?
Last year was the first time I realized that there were alligators in Jamaica.
It's in the
I went to
flag.
this-
Is
I
there an
went to,
alligator in the rivers that you're swimming in?
It's rare that you'll ever see any. No, there's none.
Uh-huh.
I mean, Black River now.
Right.
That's like all the way.
What
in
about like these
the
tropical?
western side of Jamaica?
What about like these tropical flies that like the size of lobsters flying in?
What
at
are you talking
I
about?
don't know, like these big tropical. You ever go and
There are no big tropical flies
No
in
big
Jamaica.
tropical flies.
One thing with Jamaica,
It's
Yeah.
parasites.
they kill everything
Yeah.
that they think can harm them. So I know going to Jamaica is probably going to the safest island.
safest?
Snakes and all of that stuff. They
Right.
brought in the mongoose, which killed all the damn
Right.
snakes. So they
There are no animals that can kill you in Jamaica. It's basically
very
what you're
rare.
saying.
Maybe a dog.
No tropical flies that come down and
Nah, there's no
swoop
monkeys there.
Swoop
There's
away a little
no-
baby or something.
There are no animals that can kill you in Jamaica.
You
seriously.
ever go to like one of these tropical places and like these flies are enormous? No,
No, not
they don't
Jamaica.
have it. You know what I'm
No,
talking about?
no. In Florida, the freaking roaches
Yeah, they're
are the
enormous.
biggest roaches I've ever seen in my life.
They're enormous.
I went to a beach down there, the roach ran me down.
Yeah, I don't want to call out the tropical island I was in because I don't want to insult anybody. But I was on a tropical island once.
Well, it wasn't Jamaica,
It
though.
was not Jamaica.
Of course not.
And
Jamaicans would kill all of that stuff in a
they
minute.
They had these flies coming in like B-52 bombers, and I'm like, you know what? If I had a little baby, I
Right
think
now,
this
someone's
fly
gonna
could
get mad at
like
Brad.
grab the baby and fly away with it. They were that big. You would have to hold that baby. Yeah, they were big.
Squeeze thinks you're exaggerating.
Get
I
the
can
buck
see it on
out of
his face.
here. Get the buck out of here. I said buck. All right.
Yeah, and Garfield says, "Squeeze." They got some gators in Portmore.
Yeah, I heard of that.
Yeah.
I've never seen any. Ever.
But on the national seal, it's like the two people, and then there's the pineapple, and then there's the gator.
I don't see people in Jamaica with pineapple holding half naked. I don't see any of those people either. You know? That's the motto.
You're
But
not
anyway.
going to the right places.
And Tamika Nelson says there's mosquitoes.
Yeah, but that's quite common
there's
in
obvious-
any tropical.
And there's obviously something called
They're in Florida.
Alligator Pond, Patricia Pitter says.
Are there really alligators in that pond?
Apparently they called it Alligator Pond. And also...
There's Blue Mountain. The mountain is not blue.
Teresa Sadler says in the Black River in St. Elizabeth...
Yes.
there
That's
are
where I
alligators.
first saw.
You first saw your first alligator.
First alligator.
But no crocodiles.
I don't even know which it is.
Right.
To me, it's all the same. All right, are we answering immigration questions?
Yes, let's
All
go.
right.
1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465. Olivia,
Hi, hello, good morning.
good morning.
I did an interview at the Federal Port a couple months ago. I was wondering how much months or weeks it takes to get the green card.
What was the interview in Federal Plaza for?
My green card.
I understand that. I mean, was it a marriage case? Was it an employment
Yeah,
case?
marriage.
Marriage
Yeah.
case. And what happened at the end of the interview? Did they say, congratulations, you're approved? Did they say, we got to
Yeah.
look into this more? Did they say, get out of this office, you make me sick? What, I've heard it all, so, what was said? I'm sure they didn't say that.
Congratulations.
Okay, and it's been how long now?
Oh, it's from April.
Well, it shouldn't be more than 90 days before you get something in the mail. I always tell people wait 90 days.
Yeah.
So that's April to May, May to June, you're 2 months now.
Did you get anything in the mail? Did you get an approval notice? Or you're just
No.
missing? No, nothing.
All right, so you know what? Wait 90 days from your interview. It's always a good bet that if you're approved, you'll get something in 90 days.
Yeah.
And if 90 days comes and goes and you didn't get anything, then you were not told the truth. It's not a congratulations yet.
Yeah.
So then you would not come and see us.
Yeah.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right? Okay.
Thanks a lot for calling. All right. 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465. Make that link, make that call, make the connection.
You know what I love is like when I say something and then all of a sudden everybody starts giving hearts and thumbs up. Like, wow, I just said something really profound or something, and I'm like, wow, I got to remember to say
So when
that
you
again.
get, so when you get the anger faces, what do you get?
I only get angry faces when I say Donald Trump. That's on Facebook. When I say Donald
That-
Trump,
that's
you get
instinctive.
yeah,
You
you
can't
get
help
angry
it,
faces.
yeah.
But then once I say once a show, one time a show, I say something and I didn't even think it was that profound, but obviously it was very profound because everyone just starts giving hearts and thumbs up. And I'm like, wow, it's a good feeling. It's a very good. What's with your face today?
You insulted her earlier.
I think you're in a feud.
Are we in a feud?
I'm not in a feud with
Are-
my
It's
a
Are
boss.
you in a
one-sided
feud?
feud.
Are you in a
What?
feud with me?
No.
I'm gonna start trouble right here.
Oh,
What?
please don't.
What?
Are you in a feud?
I'm not.
Okay.
I don't get involved.
Are you in a
stuff
feud
like
with me?
No.
Okay.
Are we beefing?
Exactly. That's
We're beefing right now? I like that.
no, we're answering legal questions.
Can we get back to the? Let's take the call on the radio and then go to social media.
All right, Bernard,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine.
What's up?
Yes, I have a question. I've been here since 1988, and I'm a citizen. But I have a daughter that I left there because I had a problem with her mother. She wasn't letting me, communicate with her until my daughter got older. Now she passed away. My daughter is she's 28 now. I want to know how I can bring her here.
But you got to file for her now. She's an
Yeah.
adult.
Yeah, I file when I put in my papers. I file for her.
No,
Okay.
no, you
So-
wrote her name on an application. That's not filing for her.
Oh, okay.
All right, so you got to now file an I-130 for her. Well, how did you get your green card?
Through marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, explain to him how the immediate relative petition works.
Well, you're going to have to file an I-130 immigrant visa petition for your daughter. Since she's over 21, there's going to be about 6 to 7 years wait until she's going to be able to be
Unfortunately.
scheduled. Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah.
With the backlogs right now, until she's going to be able to go to the consulate to get the actual immigrant visa. But the sooner you put in the papers, the sooner she's going to come. And the longer you wait, the longer she's going to wait. So
And put it in.
put in.
And what I wanted you to explain, but it was a very good explanation nevertheless, is that what his mistake was is that when his wife filed for him, and he puts the daughter's name on the application because it is a question to ask, when you are filed for by your U.S. citizen spouse and you write your name in, it is such a common mistake, so you shouldn't feel bad, but it's a very common mistake to think that I've also filed for my child when in fact all you're doing is answering a question.
Right.
But you have not filed for the child.
Your wife would have had to separately
Correct.
file for your daughter at the time.
Correct. All right? So hold on 1 second, okay? You need help. Hold on.
Okay. 1-800-529-5465. Can we go to social media?
We have a bunch of questions still here on the radio at 1-800-529-5465. We have to do page 21.
So the hell with the social media people.
No, we'll get to the social media people.
So we'll let the social media people wait 1
No,
hour and then
no,
we wait 2 minutes
no,
before the
no,
hour.
No. Okay. So, since Squeeze has asked...
I'm just saying, they're normal people. They're flesh and blood.
Okay, last I checked, this is the Brad and Squeeze show. You
Mm-hmm.
abdicated your responsibility as 50% owner of this show to say, Brad, what do you think we should do now? You should have just said, Brad, we're going to social media now. And then I would have said, okay.
Evidently, they all don't know Brad as well as I do.
By the way, before we go to social media, I do have to remind Rebecca, because Rebecca doesn't know this. This entire show is brought to you by USA Credit Repair.
I didn't know that.
You did not
What
know
is
that.
USA Credit Repair?
Do you know what USA Credit
No,
Repair
please.
is?
I actually don't. Please tell
You have
me.
no idea. All right, so USA Credit Repair is this credit repair agency. They're the ones who sponsor this show. All right, they're the sponsors of the show. So without sponsors, you can't put a show on. And sponsors, take care of.
Thank you, USA Credit
Take
Repair.
care of the on-air and off-air issues that arise. So I have a contract with them. So
That he never lives up to.
that I never live up to.
Can they
and-
fix the Wi-Fi?
Yeah, they should. And on the contract in page 21, which is why this has turned into everyone says, Brad, you have to do page 21 now, is that I have to talk about USA Credit for a good chunk of time. I don't want to say that there's a specific amount of time, but let's say it's 5 minutes. And tell people what USA Credit does and what a wonderful job they do. And quite frankly, if I didn't think they did a wonderful job, I wouldn't say it. But they do, because I see our clients come in and say, USA Credit Repair fixed my credit. And then, they have a website, and it's called wefixbadcredit.com. So for
Easy
those,
to remember.
right, so for those people who still haven't figured out what USA Credit does, I think their domain name, wefixbadcredit.com, kind of gives it away, right? I don't think there's much of a mystery on USA Credit after we go to the domain name, wefixbadcredit.com. So, and they have a telephone number, and it's an absolutely free call to them, and they will also check your credit score. So, and that will also be done for free. So you can check your credit score and know. Sometimes people don't even know what their credit score is. Unless you subscribed for that monthly fee that they keep sending you the credit report. But if not, you can call every month at USA Credit. They'll do it for free. You don't even have to subscribe to anything, and they'll check it. If you're above 700, fantastic. Nothing to do. If you are below 700. You should be saying, where's wefixbadcredit.com? I need that help. Because if you're below 700, it's going to be hard to get a loan. It's going to be hard to get a mortgage. It's going to be hard to lease a car. It's going to be
hard to lease an apartment in New York City.
Right, and it's going to be, sometimes people ask in jobs what your credit rating is. You may be hard to get a job. Sometimes you may want to you want to make a big purchase. And you go and you call up MasterCard or Visa and say, hey, can I get an increase in my credit line because I want to make this big purchase? And they look at your credit score and they say, 635?
Like, what, are you
Sorry,
kidding me?
no way. So, so it's like air. You need credit score above 700 to breathe. If your credit score is below 700, you can't breathe. It's air. Everybody needs air. Everybody needs credit above 700.
I had no idea how important your credit score was
Until you
until I
came to
moved to the
yes,
United
right?
States.
It's
Oh,
crazy,
yeah.
Right?
Everything
Everything
is your credit
That's
score.
right. That's right.
I had no clue.
So let me give you the telephone number.
Most people from other countries don't realize
Right.
how critical credit is in the United States. It's very critical.
Right. So let me give you the telephone number. They're our proud sponsors. They do a good job. They got people standing by right now. And the telephone number, and maybe you should take this down because you came to America. Maybe
Mine's okay right
you're
now.
okay right now. Okay. All right. So she checks. But for everybody who doesn't check, it's
Been here over 7 years now.
Yeah, 1-800-872-7177. 1-800-872-7177. That's wefixbadcredit.com. 1-800-872-7177. 1-800-872-7177. 1-800-872-7177. That's USA Credit Repair. wefixbadcredit.com, our proud sponsors. And there you have it, Rebecca, page 21.
You know
No,
what?
I know.
You need to come here more often. That's the longest he has ever done USA Credit.
You're welcome.
And it was very thorough.
Very thorough,
Well, I'm
right?
curious. I
Very
wanna know-
thorough.
Yeah.
I have never seen him that thorough, ever.
Because everybody else knows what it is. So I just actually tried to
'Cause he knows
explain it.
as a Canadian,
Right.
credit is a whole
That
new
is correct.
concept to me.
That is correct. All right, so now this is the speed round.
The speed.
Okay, so I got-
round.
I've heard about this.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so it's every man or woman for themselves now.
Okay.
All right, it's like Jeopardy.
Okay.
If you know the answer, you jump in and
Okay.
you say it. And
Okay.
we say it as quickly as we can to move on to the next one because there's lots and lots and lots of questions. We try to get through as many as we can.
Okay.
So, for example, if Squeeze were to say, what's the application to file for my child's I-130? Next. Boom.
Okay.
Got it? That's how it works.
Ready?
Ready.
Jason Cameron wants to know, can someone renew a commercial driver's license in New York out of status?
No.
Joanne Mercuria says, I have a question. Someone has a visitor's visa. Can they get married in the United States and get papers to be a United States citizen, or is it better to get married in the person's country that has the visa?
They have the visitor's visa.
They can come here.
Come to
Yeah.
the United States, get married after 90 days, but you don't become a citizen, you get a green card.
She also wants to know, how long would that process take?
About 8 months.
Okay, my mom submits a I-130 form for my brother on November 2016. I have not gotten a reply. How long should I get a notification of approval?
You should have come already. Call us. That was a year and a half ago.
Yeah.
Okay, Jermaine Anderson says, from January of this year on my USCIS profile, it says ready to set date for interview, and I got a call for my other documents such as EAD. Why haven't I received a date for my interview?
Even when it says the right scheduled interview can still be several months, it depends on the local office and their scheduling times.
They're backed up.
Cian Blake, what is the name of the non-immigrant application visa?
I-129.
Patricia Forsyth, my husband
Can I go
came.
fast?
My husband came in on our second anniversary. He was given a 2-year stamp on his passport. That expires in 2019. Can we get the conditions removed before that date?
No, 90 days before.
Gerald Cherubin says, I'm married with my wife. She has the green card for 2 years, but my divorce is pending. After my divorce is complete, I would like to apply for a fiance visa for my girlfriend who's in another country. Can I file for the fiance visa as soon as I get the divorce papers?
Yes.
Do you think it's a good time right now if someone wants to send in the I-130?
Yes.
That's
No
really
time
That
like
was-
the present.
No time like the present. What are you waiting for? I think it's I mean, given the choice of should I file to get my green card or should I live here illegally for the rest of my life, I don't think there's much of a choice there.
The best
File
time is
now.
June 7th, 2017 at
Correct.
5 p.m. Go to the post office. That's the right time.
Why 5 p.m.?
I decided. That's
Okay.
the right time. They want to know when's the right time.
Right.
That's the right
as
time.
the post office is closing.
Oh, the one here is open till
24
8.
hours.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. All right, very good. Any time today is the right time. This moment.
Actually, yeah, go an off hour when there's not too
Seize-
many people.
Seize
Yeah.
the moment, right? Because then you won't wait online. as
Yeah,
long.
exactly.
What is it called? Seize
Carpe
the
diem.
Carpe diem.
Seize the day.
Seize the day. You know what? People don't seize the day enough, Squeeze.
No, they don't. Do you see my steps in the morning?
I don't follow Snapchat, but I see you.
It's on Instagram,
I
sir.
see you
I
walking. I see you walking at 5:50 in the morning to the office
Yeah.
to start his day.
Someone has to.
He's using it.
5:50 a.m. And yesterday he was thanking all the truck drivers who were up and driving around at 5:50
Yes,
a.m.
I
who he
was.
spoke to. And then I thanked the pillow manufacturers because I was on my pillow still. All right, 1-800-529-5465. We got about 8 minutes to go. Squeeze, what do you got on your side?
All right, let's go to my side, okay? First things first, someone did say there are no wild animals in Jamaica, and we have no pests that can kill you or cause you
No
harm.
tsetse flies the
Yeah.
size of lobsters.
Alligators are found in some swamp areas, such as El Shire, St. Catherine, Black River, St. Elizabeth, Trelawney, and St. Thomas. So thank you so much for that, Heather Monroe.
I learned
All right.
a lot this morning.
Yes.
Yes. All right, so someone sent their paperwork from December. They received a letter in the mail, January, and have not reached anything more. It's now 6 months. I'm going verbatim. Is that right?
Depends what it is.
If they sent in, oh no, they
should-
received the letter in the
If
mail.
it was just an
Okay.
I-130, then yeah, it's possible. That's all
Yeah.
you got is a receipt. If you filed an adjustment, you should have gotten fingerprinted in your work permit.
Yeah, for sure.
How long does it take to file for a son's citizenship? He's 15 years old, and he has his green card for a year and a half. His mother already has her citizenship.
You can get a passport
Immediately.
immediately. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you have a flight tomorrow, go down to, Hudson Street here, they'll give it to you
Yeah.
the same day.
Yeah, or go to the place you sent me to.
Yeah.
You know.
Right?
All right. I think that's about it.
No questions on your
we have
side.
one more. Explain what is the D160.
The the DS-160.
When you're applying for a non-immigrant visa, you need to fill that out before you make an appointment at the consulate. So it'll ask all the information about your family, your previous trips to the United States, things like that.
And you do it online, and then it gets submitted online. So if you don't have the ability to do it online, which some people don't, then they go to like a local travel
Yeah,
office.
now
then
it has to be
it has to be done
online, yeah.
online now. But if you're watching us on Facebook, I would assume that you have the ability to do it online.
Okay.
Or YouTube or Periscope.
I'm a green card holder. How long does it take to file for citizenship?
6 to 8 months.
6 to 8 months. Okay, I think that's about it, man, for
All right.
me right there.
All right.
You got 6 minutes left.
Bernard. Whoa!
What's going on there, Bernard?
Bernard.
That sounded like a really scary, squeaky, and now he's.
Sounded like-
No, it sounded like the door opened and like there was some
And now
guy.
there's steps.
And now there's steps and some guy was going to
Yep.
come and kill us.
Sounds like one of those movies. I
Right,
don't
one
know
of
about-
those movies. Like,
He's
get
just-
out. What is that? I haven't seen it yet. I'm still
No one's
scared
coming
to
to
see
kill
it.
me, man.
I'm still scared to see that movie Get Out.
Well, until we get Bernard.
It's not scary,
Is it not
especially
scary?
especially for non-black people. It's not.
It's
it's
not
not scary.
Oh, so white not because it's only the black guy who's coming to get killed. The
Well,
because
white-
the
all the
people-
movies, the black guy
white-
gets
the white,
killed
the white,
first.
The white people
Always.
are killers, so you're not that scared,
Yeah,
right?
The black people always get killed first. You know, I should file a complaint about that with the movie authority.
Why do always the black people get killed?
It's always.
Yeah.
It's a stereotype.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No, I know.
Even
I
in
know.
Canada.
No.
Always.
No,
Even
I
in
know.
Canada.
No,
And we don't have that
I know.
many
I know. I know this. Bernard is still going to kill some. No, Bernard's not going to kill somebody. But it sounds like he's
I'm in the middle of the horror movie. I'm getting out of here. Why we have to die first?
But no, but it's
the
always
comedians always joke about it too.
It's always the black guy is always the bad guy.
He's
He's always the drug dealer. He's always the guy who,
Yeah, but in horror movies, there's like a stereotype of it. If there's a cast and
Why
there's
is
one black
Bernard
guy,
still? Bernard is killing the stereotype right now because
Bernard's surviving.
Bernard is the stereotype.
He's got a
right
hatchet
now.
in his hand.
I have to shut Bernard off. He's scaring me. All right. Yeah. Why is that?
I don't know.
let's talk about systemic racism in America.
Systemic racism.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
But also,
Let's get into it.
but also, but also, white people will do some things like the guys in the freaking bathroom, and then they go in the shower, knowing that the guy may be in the bathroom. What's up with that? Or they walk towards where
They hear the sound.
the sound is happening. The black guy's running in the opposite direction.
No. The white
they
guy.
know that they're gonna
The
go
white
first.
guy. There's one always white guy in a horror movie who always goes, dude. Dude.
Did you hear that?
Right before he gets killed.
That's that actually didn't happen in Get
It
Out.
didn't happen?
Some white
No?
people died and nobody
And
said
nobody
dude.
said dude. Dude.
Yeah.
And then boom, dead.
Get Out was a very interesting movie.
Yeah, it was.
I told Brad to go see it.
You must go see it. It's an
It's-
instant classic.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to Crystal. Crystal.
Crystal,
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Hi, Squeezing. Good morning, Brad, and good morning, everyone else.
Good morning.
Did we bore you? It's a very interesting movie.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, I'm calling because I'm doing the K1 visa for my fiance, and I've reached the part of the DS-160, and I'm kind of stuck because I cannot upload the pictures to the file. It's giving me a hard time because it's saying that the picture is too big, and I can't crop it to put it inside the box.
This is a technical question that I
Yes.
can answer. You need to reduce the size, not the crop of the photo. You need to reduce the file size of the picture. That's usually the problem. But it depends on the computer. I really can't guide you with that. You may have to have someone either take a different photo with like a phone or something that's a smaller resolution.
Or
I've tried
call
that,
it.
and they've told me that it's it cannot be used.
At 1 o'clock, Squeeze will be doing a tech help session online called Geek Squad. He will be the head geek.
My
and
name
we'll
is
be able
taken
to-
already. So.
Yeah, or try using a different browser.
Or
you know.
worst comes to worst, I mean, we don't seem to have a problem doing it here, so come in to see us.
Yeah.
But we're going to run out of time in about 30 seconds. All right?
Okay, thank you so much.
But I would agree, reduce the pixel size. All right? It's the pixel thing.
Yeah.
Whatever
Okay,
whatever
thank you.
Get someone
pixels.
who's like techie to do it for you.
Okay? All right.
Oh, okay,
All
thanks.
right. Good luck.
Bye-bye.
All right. Once again, folks, it has been the Brad and Squeeze Show.
Yes.
Thank you, Rebecca. Thank you, Carl, Dan, Yell. Okay. Thank you, little Nikki. And Brad, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's
We
make it
gotta get
legal.
out of here.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
The proceeding was informational
Once
only
again, folks,
and not specific
it
legal
has
advice.
been
Consult
the
an attorney
Brad
about your
and Squeeze
individual
Show. Thank you,
situation.
Rebecca. Thank you,
Our
Carl,
results do
Dan,
not guarantee a
Yell.
similar outcome
Okay.
in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar Bernstein Law Firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And of course, link up with the law offices of Spar Bernstein located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.